Hello everybody, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to make some yum yum sauce. Usually when you go to a hibachi restaurant, they have this creamy white sauce. It's called yum yum sauce. And you put it on the rice and vegetables. So I found a recipe and it's really good. So I'm going to share it with you. I start out with 1 4 cups of mayo that I put in the blender. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of butter that's been melted, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, or I have used garlic salt. I just don't put in as much. I usually reduce it to half. Okay, and a teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika, and then just a dash of cayenne pepper. Of course, if you like it spicy, you can put more in. We just put a dash. Now I'm going to mix it all up. That's good. Now I'm just going to put it in a little container. Put the lid on it. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I usually set it for overnight. If by chance I need it the same day, at least leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. That way it can all blend together. And this is yum yum sauce. I hope you enjoy it. This is TL Cooking. Thanks.